Hey guys, welcome back to How to Daily. And in this video, I will show you how to make a shirt and sell it on Roblox. Alright, let's begin. Create a Roblox account. If you don't already have an account, go to the Roblox website and sign up. Download Roblox Studio. Roblox Studio is the development environment where you can create games and items. Download it from the Roblox website if you haven't already. Design your item. You can create various types of items such as clothing, shirts, pants, t-shirts, accessories, hats, gear, or even game assets, models, scripts. For clothing, use graphic design software to create images that meet Roblox's specifications. Save your designs as PNG files. For accessories or models, use Roblox Studio to build 3D models or import existing models. Upload your item. Log into your Roblox account and go to the Create section. Select the type of item you want to upload. Follow the prompts to upload your design or model. Set pricing and permissions. Once your item is uploaded, you can set its price. You can choose to sell it for Robux or make it available for free. If it's clothing, make sure to enable the option to allow others to wear it. Publish your item. After setting the price and permissions, publish your item. It will now be available for other users to purchase in the Roblox catalog. And that's it, you are done.